Well, this car needs no introduction. It's the epitome of our Just Drive It fleet. We got it together, we ran it down the road, we raced it, and came back from the No Name Nationals. Some people wouldn't have done it, we did. But what many don't understand is that this car is good enough to do it. Come along with us. If you followed along when we put it together over the months before the No Name Nationals, you would know that we have a brand new suspension underneath this thing. All new control arms, bushings, inner and outer tire rods, spring purchase. We have brand new disc brakes in the front, brand new disc brakes in the back. That thing is all set up there to run down the road. What we did become plagued with on this car were some fuel system problems, and that was my fault because I didn't change out the entire fuel line, and some blow-by and bad oil pressure on this car. So this year, here's what our plan is. We're gonna be pulling out the engine and transmission on this car. What are we gonna do? Well, let me see if I can get it up. We are going to take and run a compression check on the engine, but what we're actually going to do is we're going to pull this apart, the short blocks going in and getting a whole new rebuild. So 30 over, it's going to get new pistons, new rings, get in the crankshaft turn, we'll redo the short block on it. It will be getting a reground cam to better benefit what we have done to it. And we will probably be changing the carburetors. We're probably going to a double pumper on this sucker in order to keep it doing what we want to do. But other than that, interiorly, that's pretty much all it needs. Now the other thing it's going to need is it's going to need work to the cowl section. That is why this blue tarp is over the cowl right now, is because I have the Ford malady of a leaking cowl. The other thing, now that I remember it, that we're going to be changing is that shifter, because that shifter sometimes does not like to work. So we'll get a new shifter in there and new short block. But performance wise, that's pretty much what's going to happen. But this year we're going to get a chance to sit down, hopefully with Andy Wood, and tune this sucker. And we're going to take and tune the ignition as well as the carburetor. So now you know what we're going to be bringing to the No Name Nationals, because we are bringing this car back to the No Name Nationals. We are going to do some call outs. Right now I'm not quite sure who all we're going to call out. We do have some standing call outs. Clay from my next project actually has a call out with us, so we still need to honor that call out this year when he shows up to the No Name Nationals. Wasn't his fault last year, but we're going to get to have fun, go play. I know Mustangs, Minivans, and Mopars, I think is what it is, said that he wanted to re-race, because I actually ran him, I believe, when he had a straight 6 in his Dart. He's going to be bringing some more heat this year. Cool deal. So, we'll see how it goes. We'll see what call-outs come our way. But if you like it, please like, subscribe, Rumble if you're on Rumble. Leave a comment in the comment section. It all helps. Remember, just drive it.